Good morning, class. Are you all there? Good morning. We start with a very big smile, as usual. Nice, lovely smile. Let us see. Yeah? Take care, all of you. I want to say Happy Easter. Today is Easter Sunday. Jesus died on Good Friday, and on the third day he rose again. So today we will receive. Good morning, Prakriti. We will receive the blessings of the risen Lord. God bless you all in these difficult times. Yeah, unfortunately, we couldn't go to church. But if the Lord doesn't understand, who else will? Isn't it? Yeah, I got your smile, Prakriti. Very good, very good. Okay, all ready? Yeah, Shilpi, you're there, I hope. Where are the others? Okay, let us start. Now, today I'm going to do one network diagram whereby you have to, between two events, you have to draw a dummy line because it is not given in the problem. All right. So we'll do one small problem. Yeah, praise the Lord. Oh, Rupa, sorry, Rupa. Yeah. Okay, but it comes as Prakriti Kauda Rupa. Okay. Okay. Now, I thought you were a student whose name I don't have missed. That's why. Okay. Yeah, Rupa, good morning. Shweta, good morning. Shilpi, good morning. All of you. Happy Easter. Nagma, all of you. Yeah, I'll continue now. Love you all. Okay, now see, I will do one network problem whereby you have to draw lines between or give a connection between two events which is not given in the problem. All right, and then it happens to be that dummy lines you draw, no, those lines only will be part of the critical path. All right, so here, get ready. I will give you the problem, and after that, I'll teach you how to do the floats. All right, ready? The problem will be like this. Write down. You can write it in a row. All right, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 7, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8. Devika, good morning. I'll repeat, class. The activity is the first column that is in a row. Heading is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 7, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to 7, 6 to 8, and 7 to 8. All right. Now I'll give you the time and then we will discuss how we try and envision the picture, the network. All right. Okay. Duration in weeks. Duration in weeks. 5, 8, 3, 4, 0, 7, 4, 6, 6, 7, 2, 6. Good morning, Yashaswini. Thank you for the smile. Now, ready? Duration is like this. Once again, 5, 8, 3, 4, 0, 7, 4, 6, again 6, 7, 2, 6. Are you ready? Now shall we draw? See, you have to envision it like this. First class, look at the problem. There is 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Now 2 next, 2 goes to 5. Alright? Remember that. And 5 goes to 8. You see there? 5 goes to 8. So you have to keep in your mind 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 8. 8 is the last one. So we'll give a complete different path for 1 to 2 to 5 to 8. This is you have to picture in your mind. Now we'll go to 3. 1 to 3, and after 3 it goes to 4, goes to 5. So 3, yes, Sachita. It has to come in the middle, alright? Because 3 has to join to 4, isn't it? But 1 to 4 is there. So 4 has to come little after 3. You understand? And 1 to 4, 4 goes to 5. So picture. And 5 goes to 8. We already know. Then there is 6 in the middle. 4 goes to 6 also. Okay? Yashaswini? No, I won't. Okay? Because you didn't say please, I won't. Okay? Then here we are. We have 4 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 8. So picture that in your mind, piece by piece. Alright? I think as we decided, 1 to 3 should be, there's no 2, isn't there? Strange. Oh no, there is 2. 1 to 2, yeah, 1 to 2 we decided that it will be on top. 1 to 3 in the middle. The network diagram here is messed up. Okay, we'll do 1 to 2 on top, then 1 to 4 in the middle, and 1 to 3 below. Alright? All ready? We'll start. Yesterday I think my paper was too crumpled for you to see, isn't it? My brother told me. Okay, we started with 1. I'll do a big diagram. Now I have to teach you something here. One is the early one, this is the early one, this is the last one. You'll understand that you talk of it at beginning and end time. Okay, beginning time, beginning time will be on this side and ending time will be on this side. Keep it in mind because I have to teach you the float, and that's at that time it will be necessary. Alright? So shall we take the 2 on top? 1 to 2 is 5. Take it on top. We start with a 0. 1 to 2 is 5. So class, where I have drawn 0 and 5, these will be called the beginning times. Where there is space, it is called ending time. Keep that in mind. Alright? Okay, let's go on. I think we'll keep, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. 4 has to go to 5 and all. Shall we take when then 3 goes to 7? So shall we take 3 down? We'll take 3 down first and keep time for keep place for 4. 1, 2, 3 is 8. So class, where I have written 5, 0 and 8, in that event it is called the beginning time. The space where it is empty is called the ending time. Is that clear? Now I've given you 1 to 2, 1 to 3. We'll take 1 to 4 in the middle. Why? Because for 4 has some middle issues to drawing, middle events to draw. So 1 to 4 is 3. I'm placing it a little to the right of. See, I could have placed left 2 a little left so that 3 could come a little right. You understand? So now I'm going to place 4 a little to the right of 3. Just because of the sequencing. 1 to 4 is 3. Okay. Then there is 2 to 5, which will I think will go after 4 a bit. So I'll take it here. 2 to 5. Okay. 2 to, I was just wondering whether 5 has any other connections from 3. Fortunately, it doesn't have any connections from 3. Otherwise, to take it would have been difficult, right? 2 to 5 is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Alright? 1 to 2. This is all called the beginning times class. In event 5, 9 is the beginning time. What I have left blank is the ending time. In event 2, in event 2, concentrate on event 2, 5 is the beginning time. In event 4, 3 is the beginning time. In event 3, 8 is the beginning time. Please concentrate on this, understand, because I'm going to teach you the float and that time we require. See, if I had made 3 a little to the right so that 2 was little to the left, just for sequencing, it would have looked better. See, 4 and 5 are placed properly. Okay. Now, 2 to 5 is over. We'll go to 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is 0. Alright, 3 to 4 is 0. Then you have 3 to 7, we'll leave it like that. 3 to 7, we'll do it later. Do 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is 4. So, now there is a quandary for 5. See, you have 5 plus 4, 9. I have placed 9. But look at this. Another branch that comes from 4 says 3 plus 4, 7. But 9 is bigger, so we have not done a mistake. Is that clear? What shall we do next? There is 3 to 7, but I would like to do 4. There is 4 to 6. Anything else goes to 6? 4 to 6. Nothing else goes to 6, thankfully. So we will give 6 on the right of 4, a little after 5, a little that side from 5. 6. 4 to 6. 4 to 6 is 6. 6 plus, yes, Shilpi, you're right. Shilpi, you're right. 1 to 3 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 0. For beginning of event, it should be 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 becomes 12. Shall we check this? All of you check this. See, I had made a small mistake. Not, it was a mistake. 1, 2, 3. All see. 1, 2, 3 was 8. 8 plus 0, 4 becomes 8. 5 becomes 8 plus 4, 12. Why? Because 5 plus 4 is 9, but 12 is greater. Right now, Shilpi, give me a thumbs up. Now we go to 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay? It's good to make mistakes, isn't it? So we learn. Alright? Okay. Now, where are we? We have to do 5 to 8. First, we'll do 6 to 7. There is 3 to 7, remember. So 7 has to be placed a little below so that 3 can, yes, 3 can go. So 7 will place a little to the, is there a 5 to 7? No, 6 to 7 and 3 to 7. Great. Okay. I'm placing 7 below 6. So 6 to 7 is 7. And there is 3 to 7. 3 to 7 is 7. Alright, everybody? Now what do I do here? 8 plus 7 is 15. But 14 plus 7, see 7 has two branches coming to it. From 6 we get beginning time of 6 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. Whereas there's another branch coming from 3. 3 to 7 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. But 21 is greater than 7. So beginning time of event 7 is 21. Alright? Correct. Now, what do we do now? There is 6 to 7 over 6 to 8, and there is 7 to 8. There is also 5 to 8. So there are 3 branches to 8 from 5, 6 and 7. So I'm placing 8 to the right of 6 so that 5 comes from top, 7 comes from below. So first I will draw a branch from, wait, I'll show you, where I have placed 8. See, I've placed 8 there. Now I'm going to draw branches from 5, 6 and 7 to 8. With that, I think our network diagram is over. So 5 to 8 is 6. So 12 plus 6 could be the beginning time of 8, but we'll see the others. Then we'll do 6 to 8. 6 to 8 is 2. So 12 plus 6 is 18, 14 plus 2 in this branch is 16, 18 is still the higher one. Now we have 7 to 8, 6. 7 to 8, 6. Here it becomes 27. Hold on a bit, guys. This is my diagram. So which one should I write there? 5 to 8. 8 has 3 branches coming to it. 5 to 8 is 6. And 5 has beginning time 12. 12 plus 6 becomes 18. Look at the second one. 6 to 8, 14. Beginning time of 6 is 14 plus 2 duration and it becomes 16. Plus, now I'm going to call the places where we keep the numbers as beginning time, ending time and duration. Now look at 7 to 8 branch. 7 event 7 has beginning time of 21. The duration is 6. So 21 plus 6, beginning time of 8 becomes 27. Put ending time of 8 also as 27. Ending time of 8 is 27. So your expected project time is 27 weeks. Right somewhere down there. Expected project time is 27 weeks. I'll show the diagram for a minute or two. Wait one second. All of you copy. Yeah. Those of you who are fast have to wait a bit for those who are slow. Ready? Shall we go now? Okay, Santosh, good morning. Yeah. Now, how do we go back? First, we will roll back to the smallest number, that is 5. All right? So, 27 minus 6. 27 minus 6 is 21. So, ending time of 5 is 21. Ending time of 5 is 21. Now, we'll roll back to 6. Ending time of 8 was 27. Duration of 6 to 8 is 2. So ending time of 6 becomes how much? 27 minus 2. Yeah? 27 minus 2, 25. Okay? Now 7 to 8, 27 minus 6 is 21. Obviously, this is the critical path, isn't it? This is the critical path. Now we will roll back. Where shall we roll back? We finished 5, 6, 7, 8. Naturally, we'll go to 4. Okay? Now look at 4. There are two branches coming to 4. One from 5, that is 21 minus 4 should be how much? 17. Or we have to take the least one. 25 minus 6 is how much? 19. Alright? So which is better? 21 minus 4 is 17. And the other one, how much you get? Wait one second. 4, I'm talking, sorry guys, I got a little distracted. See, 5 in 5, ending time is 21, 21 and the duration is 4, you will get 17. Whereas coming from 6, 25 minus 6 is how much? 19. So when we roll back, we have to take the smaller number and the smaller number is 17. Alright, 4 is over, we'll come to 3. Ending number, we'll take the branch 3 to 4. Again, it could be 17 because it's 0, or 21 minus 7, it could be 14. Alright? We're not getting a critical path, no? Branch 6 has 2, 27 minus 2, 25, 21 minus 7, 14. Yes. Thank you, Shilpi. 14 minus, yeah. I made a little mistake again. Check 4 and 6. Check 4 and 6. Right? Okay. See, looking down and doing is a different thing. Looking down, doing, showing, coming back is a little confusing. Okay? 8. So, 1 minute. I'll complete the problem. 4 to 3 is 0. So, you get 8 there. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Alright? I'll just complete. Guys, look down and do your problem. 5 minus 4. 21 minus 4 is 17. Yeah. Right. See, is this right, Shilpi, now, all of you? Yes. I corrected at branch 6 and branch 4 and branch 3. So you get the critical path from 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, isn't it? 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. Let me do the critical path. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Here's your critical path. 7 to 8. 1 minute. 7 to 8. Let me hold it up for you again. The student should become smarter than the teacher. Then I have achieved my objective. Everyone? Finished? I'll hold it up for a minute. Okay, there. We have completed the problem. There was something called, yeah. I thought we were getting a dummy this thing, but it didn't happen, isn't it? There was something with 0, that's all. Okay, ready? See, today we are doing something called floats. Alright? We are doing something called floats. Now, the 3 floats are free float. Write down 3 floats are free float. Morning, Ravi. Those of you who are coming in now can leave place for a problem and a network diagram. The network diagram is slightly big with 8 events, so you can leave place adequately for that, maybe half a page, because we need to do it neatly. This is a little not so complicated if you look back and see, isn't it? Yeah. So you just leave place for a problem. Row wise you copy it. Don't waste space by doing column wise. 2 columns actually. And then leave half a page at least. And we have got the critical path and the timing as 27 weeks. Now, we'll continue. We are talking about 3 floats. The 3 floats are, the first one is independent float. Alright? Independent float. Next one is free float. Alright? The next one is free float. And the third one is total float. Alright? So, when you answer your questions, it is possible that you will not stop with a network diagram. You will calculate the floats, or there is one more concept which I will teach you tomorrow or day after. That concept or this concept of calculating the floats. See, the floats are like this. Beginning event of the second event, beginning time of the second event minus the beginning of the first event minus duration, all this. All the 3 floats, the last thing would be minus duration. Do you understand? Minus duration. So I have devised one easy way for you to do it. You copy this one. I'm talking about this one. Okay? Wait, class. See, by folding, I hope I'm not crumpling the paper too much. Look at this, class. FF means free float. B means the beginning time. E means ending time. D means duration. Now look at FF before you start copying. FF means free float. Free float is equal to beginning time of second event minus beginning time of first event minus duration. Similarly, independent float is beginning time of second event minus ending time of first event minus duration. And the total float is ending time of second event minus beginning time of first event minus duration. So all of you, 1 minute, I'm a little uncomfortable. Here it is. Copy. Copy it like this. I have devised it to make things simpler for you. If you remember this, like a picture in your mind, it becomes simple to calculate. Now you don't have to worry about this. We have a table to draw, and when you draw the table, I have again devised you this column minus that column is equal to that column, something like that. So you don't have to worry. So first what we are going to do is, but like in decision tree you used to calculate, isn't it? Yeah? So like that, you can calculate too, but I've given you something in the, you know me, I devised something to make it simpler for you all. So, alright? You finished this, right? Okay, now class we will do a problem. Alright? Nagesh sir, good morning. We will do a problem and you will have to calculate the float. We will calculate the float in the column wise where you will not have any trouble. I'll tell you how to calculate which column. Okay? Okay. Now, what is the problem now? Okay. Class, they have given the problem and they have given the table and the network. So what we do is, first you copy the problem. Okay? The problem first is activity. You calculate row wise only because we are going to write it again in the column. Okay? Let the problem be untouched. In case when you study again, no, let the problem be untouched. Right? The problem will be activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 3 to 7, 4 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to 9, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. I will repeat class. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 3 to 7, 4 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to 9, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Already? Now the duration is 2. Duration, second column or row. Duration, you can call it hours, weeks, seconds, whatever the problem says. It does just write duration. And in duration, capital D you write. Why? Because I want you to understand how to do. Right? See, for all the three floats, I said minus D. So when you calculate, minus D means the second column You'll have to do minus this column, right, actually. Okay, now let it be. Write down D is 2, once again 2, 1, 4, 8, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3. Now again 2, 2 again, 1, 4, 8, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3. Are we done? Okay. Now shall we do the network diagram? You take a look at it. You have 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. 2 goes to 5. And 3 goes to 6. 3 also goes to 7. 4 goes to 6. 5 goes to 8. 6 goes to the last one. So try and picture in your mind like what I taught you the previous time. Alright? Shall we start? It's cool. We could take 1 to 2 on top, 1 to 3 in the middle, and 1 to 4 on the bottom. Alright? Morning, ma'am. Class, see if any of your friends have not started class and all. I think one or two of you told me. If you share my classes, I have no problem. All right. That is why I'm coming on Facebook. Let if anybody like there are some small colleges, if they have not started class and all, if they benefit from my class, I'm very happy. Big colleges I know they have started, some colleges have all very well set up online classes, which is extremely wonderful. As a university professor, I feel it's my duty to help all the MBA colleges, you know, not necessarily from Bangalore University. Because see, we were from a university which included Bangalore North, Bangalore Central, and Bangalore University. So anyone, if anyone, any student, anybody benefits from the class, it's a wonderful thing. You can share it. You can share it in your country. I have no issues, right? Don't bother to ask me permission. That's why I've come on public domain. So yes, class, we start our problem. Right? Ready. So first we go to 1, 1, put a 0. I think last time I put the 0 on the opposite side. So take 2 up, 3 in the middle, and 4 in the down. 2. 1 to 2 is 2. So beginning time for 2 will be 2. 3, you take slightly to the right of 3 and 2. It's not necessary, but you know, courtesy, because 3 is greater than 4. It's nice to be little, correct. So 1 to 3 is 2. Is there something from 2 to 3? No. So 3 has only one branch. I'll give it 3. Sorry, 2. Alright. Now we go to 1 to 4. Shall we take 4 a little after 3? Let us. 1 to 4 has only one branch. 1 to 4 is 1. So 1. Alright? 1 to 2 is 2, so you have 2. 1 to 3 is 2, you have 2 as the beginning time. 1 to 4 is 1, you have 1 as the beginning time. Now we have to do 5. 2 to 5, then 3 to 6. Nothing else goes to 5, isn't it? We'll go 2 to 5 above. Excuse me for a minute. Okay. Now we have 2 to 5. So where shall I place? 5 and place a little to the right of 4. 2 to 5 is 4. So we have 5. 5 has just one branch. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 gets 6. Alright. So we have developed this diagram so far. 1 to 2. So you have 2 there. 2 has only one branch. 1, 2, 3, 2. Again it has only one branch. 1 to 4, 1. Yeah. Then we have 2 to 5, which is 2 plus 4, 6. Now what do we do now? 5 goes straight to 8. Now we have to do the 6th one. Where is the 6th one? 6th one you get 3, isn't it? You have 3 to 6 and you have 4 to 6. So we will place 6 a little after 5 this side, but in between. You understand, isn't it? Below 5, but to the little right of 5. 6. So what all you have going to 6? You have 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is 8. Okay. Then you have 4 to 6, 3. Now we have a decision to make. 1 plus 3 is 4, but 2 plus 8 is 10, isn't it? For 6, how many branches will come? 2 branches, 3 to 6 and 4 to 6. 3 to 6 is 2 plus 8, you'll get 10. But also you get from 5 to 6 there is a branch. No, 5 to 6 there is no branch. Yeah, 10 is correct, isn't it? Ma'am, thank you for the beautiful comment. I love you. We are friends from 98, isn't it? Know something? Being friends for so long is not easy. We must be great people, very mature to be friends with each other. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your compliment is really nice for me. Thank you, ma'am. God bless both of us. Happy Easter. All right. Now, what do we go next? 3 to 6 is over. We have to go to 3 to 7. Where shall we place 7 now? Is there 6 to 7? No, only 3 going to 7. Now, this is precarious, guys. 5 to 7 is there. 5 to 8 is there. 7 to 8 is there. 6 to 9 is there. Where shall we place it? Between 5 and 6, isn't it? Let's go to 7. 3 to 7. It was 3 to 6 as well. Okay. 3 to 7. A little to the right of 6. 7. 3 to 7 is how much? 5. Now, what all branches come to 7? Only 3 to 7. You see the entire thing? Only 3 to 7. So here you get 5 plus 2, 7. Alright? 5 plus 2, 7. Now, what do we have? We have 5 to 8. Then we have 7 to 8. 6 to 9. So 5 and 7 go to 8, isn't it? So 8 should be on top, right? There's nothing else going to 8. 5 and 7 going to 8. So 8 will be on top. 5 to 8 will be 1. Excuse me. That was my dog. He's thirsty. He wants to drink the water. The water is near me. Can you hear him slurping the water? Okay. 5 to 8 is 1. Then we have 7 to 8. 7 to 8 is 4. So you look at it. You have from 5 a branch coming to 8. The beginning of 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. But from 7 to 8 you have 7 plus 4, 11. Alright? Then you have 8 to 9. 6 to 9 and 8 to 9. So beautiful. We can place 9 here. See? We can place 9 here. Very, very beautifully we can place 9. Alright? There. You have 8 to 9. Do we have how many things go to 9? 6 to 9 and 8 to 9. And 6 and 9 are very beautifully placed. 8 to 9 is 3. So 11 plus 3 is 14. We will see because now 6 to 9 has to come. 6 to 9 is 5. So 11 plus 3 is 14. That's 10 plus 5 is 15. So in 19, we'll get 15. Alright. So the total, excuse me a minute. Total project time is 15, isn't it? Total project time is 15. Alright? Total project time is 15. And our network diagram is over. See please. Well, I'll hold up properly. I'm holding the network diagram up for a minute so that any of you who have not completed can complete. If you can see my video again in case you miss, or you just click a pic of the screen. Alright? Now class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have to do a table with 9 columns. The first column is for activity and duration, the same problem. And those most of them are single digits only that you have to put in the columns. So the columns need not be broad. Alright? Make 8 columns. Alright, I'll tell you the headings. The first heading is activity. Please write activity as given in the problem. I'm getting so many beautiful compliments. I feel happy. What we teachers need is a little bit of love, affection, and a whole lot of respect. That's all. Ready? First column is activity. Write the activities. If you wish, I will tell you 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 3 to 7, 4 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to 9, 7 to 8, and 8 to 9. Class, I have done the problem, but I have not calculated the critical path. So let's show the critical path. Before that, you write total project time is, the table I'm giving. But before that, you write this total project time is 15. It could be minutes, it could be hours, weeks, months, whatever. Give a unit if the unit is not there. Yeah? Give a unit. Alright? Now, shall we work backwards? I have not worked backwards. So, generally, class, to make it a little systematic, you work by the decreasing numbers. Now we have 9, isn't it? So 9, the preceding number is 8. So from 8 to 9, look at that, 8 to 9. 9, the total time is, ending time is 15. Now we are working out the ending time. 15 minus 3 for 8. 8 has only one branch coming to it, not towards it. From the backward, when we roll backwards, like, I was telling you in Kannada, chape, a mat you're rolling back, like that, as in decision tree, we will roll back. So 15 minus 3 is 12. There's only one branch coming to it, so 15 minus 3 is 12. 8, ending time for 8 is 12. Ending time for 8 is 12. Now from 8 we will go to 7. Okay. Now look at this, because I would like you to go systematically. From 8 you go to 7, and that is 7 has only one branch coming to it. When you work back, 7 has only one branch coming to it. So 12 minus 4 is 8. The ending time for 7 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Alright? Now, after 7 comes 6, isn't it? So we will go to 9 to 6. Okay? 9 to 6. Ending time of 9 is 15. So 15 minus duration of 6 to 9 is 5. So the ending time of 6 becomes 10. This is obviously the critical path, isn't it? Okay. Now after 6 we go to 5. Which one goes to 5? Only 5 to 8. Alright. There's only one branch coming to 5, that is from 8. So 8 ending time is 12 and the duration is 1. So what we get is 11. In 5 ending time will be 12 minus 1, 11. Alright. 5 is over. Then we go to 4. Alright. 4, there's only one branch coming, that is from 6. So ending time of 6 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Alright. Then we'll go to 3. Mr. 3. Mr. 3 has two branches coming from it, one from 6 and one from 7. We'll take from 6 first. 10 minus duration 8 is 2. Whereas from 7 it is 8 minus 5, 3. So when we roll backwards, we take always the smaller number. So 2 it is. Ending time for 3 is 2. Then we go to Mr. 2. What say, class? Okay. 2 has only one branch, that is from 5, if you can see. Number 2 has only, event has only one branch. So from 5, 11 minus 4 is 7, isn't it? 11 minus 4 is, how much is that? 11 minus 4 is 7. Yeah. Okay. 7 minus 4 is 7. Now we have to come back. Roll. You have 2, 1, you have 3 branches coming. 2, 1, you have 3 branches coming. That is from 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And then from 3, it is 2 minus 2 is 0. And then from 4, 7 minus 1 is 6. So the least one is 0. So that's the critical path, obviously. So your critical path would be 1, 2, 3. Please draw 1, 2, 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 10. 1 dash 3 dash 6 dash 10. This would be your critical path. My brother has told me that maybe I should have since I don't have a board, maybe I should have pasted these papers that I show should be more stiffer, because I think crumpling is giving you trouble to see the diagram. Let me see, I'll do something tomorrow. A little busy yesterday. Please copy your critical path. Total project time is 15. We'll call it days here, because I've not given you a unit of time. So 15 days, and your critical path is 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. Sorry, I made it 10 by mistake. It is 9. Yes, Shilpi. 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. I'm sorry, I made that event 10. All done, class? Okay, you have class from 11 a.m. Yes, Nina? Okay. You can continue I will continue the float tomorrow. Give me 5 more minutes, okay? Now, yeah, Kiran is my student, so I can play with him. Yeah, but I cannot play with the class. So do one thing, class. You just calculate, write the headings, and I'll give you my idea of how to calculate the float. And so I think you can do it yourselves. Okay? Third and fourth column, third and fourth column, common heading is earliest time. Third and fourth column, common heading is earliest time. Alright? Third column, you write start and call the column number 3. Please number all the columns. Activity, you call it as number 1. Duration, you call it as number 2. Now 3 and 4 is earliest time. So the third one is number 3. Start is number 3. Fourth column, you write finish. Fourth column, you write finish. Write it 4 is equal to 2 plus 3. Right there, 4 is equal to 2 plus 3. We finished column 4. Now column 5 and 6, common heading is latest time. Column 5 and 6, you have common heading latest time. Now column 5, don't write it as column 5. Just write it as start. Alright? Please listen carefully. Column 5, you number it as 6. Column 5, you number it as 6 is equal to 5 minus 2. I repeat, column 5, you write it as 6 is equal to 5 minus 2. Column 6, you call finish. Column 6 you call finish and number column 6 as 5. Number column 6 as 5. Column 5 will be column 6 is equal to 5 minus 2. Now, the last 3 columns are called float. Last 3 columns are called float. So the next column will be 7, column 7, free float. Column 7 is free float. I have devised something for you. So you write there 4 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, to make things easier for you. 7 is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 2. Next column is independent float. That is 8 column. Column 8 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2. Column 8 is 3 independent float, 3 minus 4 minus 2. Last column is total float. It is 5 minus 3 minus 2. Okay. Now tomorrow I'll teach you how to do. You will have guessed. Okay. If you can do. You can do in pencil or you can do twice, whatever. If you are right, why not? Isn't it? Yeah, I know. I have, yeah. You have another class. I will say bye. I need to also take senior class. Yeah, I enjoyed my class. I hope you enjoyed it too. Yeah, I enjoy teaching HR, operations research. Yeah, okay. All of you, those who are watching, once again, happy Easter. I want to say not only happy Easter, I also want to say thank you all for all your love and affection. It's great to to have you interact and all. And when I make mistakes, yeah, mistakes are good. You try to not do them again. What do you say? Isn't it? So be strong. Yeah, be strong. Stay at home. Stay at home to help save not only your life, others' lives. All right. Keep the social distancing. We have to conquer the virus. Imagine it is so small and is having all of us scared. It's like an ant and an elephant. Even then, you know, it's just so yeah. So whatever it is, be strong, be brave, stay at home. Yeah. And I told you we all hold hands. Love you all. God bless. I have to say bye. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.